Sanibona IsiZulu Nation, ninjani, Ngiyaphila. Today's video is a cutout from our group IsiZulu class, where we spoke a little bit about IsiZulu Noun Classes. These are very confusing for us English speakers because this is a totally different, Zulu uses a totally different system to English, so it takes a while to get into. I will have on Patreon a podcast episode further explaining noun classes with some more examples that you can listen to while you're washing the dishes or driving in your car. And I will also send the PDF file that we checked out in class. So, Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to see how my cat influences my workflow. Ngiyabonga, salani kahle. Umama kaimpi uthini?
Uthi usuku oluhle lokuzalwa.
Halala, usuku oluhle lokuzalwa. Yebo. Usuku lokuzalwa lukabani?
Uimpi.
Luka-impi.
Luka impi.
So Brian, just explain the Luca part.
Luka impi.
Of. It just means
Of impi.
Okay.
Depending on what is of. This is another of. Ubaba ka impi, the dad of impi. Usuku lokuzalwa, the of. Every time you use a different noun, all the things that that noun touches change flavor. They might have a little bit of a different sound. They're all very similar, but they might have a luka, we might have a sika, zika, baga, waga.
It's so confusing, Brian.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
confusing.
yes.
That's what I'm struggling with a little bit.
Dum 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 dum. If you're struggling from insomnia, this is the cure. If you're struggling to sleep, can't sleep at night, hey, this one will get you fast asleep immediately. All nouns in IsiZulu have a set number of prefixes. Either the plural being aba, either u, the plural being o, or with the plural being imi, or I, the plural being ama, isi, the beginning, isi, the plural being izi, ing, with the plural being izin, u, with the plural being izin or izim. Ubu, an abstract class, ubuntu, humanity, so no plural. And uku, infinitive, meaning to eat, to swim, uku, uguta, uku, ula, to sing, so no plural either. These are all the beginnings that all nouns in IsiZulu might start with. Aba, o. Imi, I, ama. Isi, izi, im, izim, u, izim. Lubuku, ubu, uku. So this is the only thing to learn off by heart. You learn the beginning, when you speak about a word starting with when you want to say a person is, or a person he is or she is, we say u. Rhymes with the People are abantu ba. Umama ba, same. The tree is umuntu, umuti is here, kona. The trees are here, imiti, they are here, kona. The cat is drinking, ikati, liyapuza, it is drinking. The cats are drinking, amakati, ayapuza. The loved ones are drinking. In the loved one, isithandwa is drinking. She is drinking. He is drinking. Si. Zi. I, zi, lu, zi, u. So all these different beginnings basically mean it. They mean he, she, and it all in one. IsiZulu doesn't have he, she, and it. It has one thing that has all these different forms. So hence Zulu people get confused between Jacob, she is beautiful or whatever.
Yeah.
He and she's are very confusing because there's no he and she in Zulu. There's only an u. If you're speaking about u muntu or u Brian, there's only an u. It means he and she and it together. But there's so many forms of them. The thing to take from this is just learn the things that go together. Umuntu, abantu. Person, people. Umama, omama. Lady, ladies. Mutsi, imiti. Ikati, amakati, amakati. Learn the things that go together. Learn the links that go with each noun. And that is the only thing I had to learn off by heart. Just sit and learn off by heart at varsity. It helps just organize stuff generally in your brain. But if you show this chart to a native Zulu speaker, you might look at it for a bit and be like, oh my gosh, this is all organized. Oh wow. And then I might check with some words in her. Find a chair. And then I've done this to ask many Zulu people and like, what? This is so cool. Oh, yes, it is structured like this. As a native speaker, this is not what people are thinking about. It's just there.
It's natural.
So this IsiZulu structure is very different, a whole different structure to English. So it's very different. So difficult to learn the difference. But once you've got it, there are very few exceptions. It's very structured. Everything is always like this. No. The verbs are always there. The what, everything sticks together in the same way. Very few exceptions. Whereas English is just another rubbish, some random
exceptions
mess of everything. So there are 9. These are called noun classes. This is the noun class system of IsiZulu.
So those last 3 columns, just explain that to me. Sorry, Brian.
Yes, that's just extra stuff. When you want to talk about stuff in the negative, you put these things in. When you want to talk about these things, aka, if you're saying someone, a person, umuntu akaphuzi. This person doesn't drink. Umuntu akaphuzi. It's a whole different structure thing, and the guy just goes in between. I like this person. Ngiyamthanda. I like them. Ngiyamthanda. Them is for referring to umuntu as the object. Ngi, the subject. Ngiyamthanda. I like them. Him or her. And these things are all sort of, they go with the sounds. The sounds are similar. Umuntu, is similar. The guy is just one thing that's not similar. But long ago, umuntu waphuza, the person drank. Umuntu waphuza, the person was drinking. Umuntu wayephuza.
Okay.
Let's just look at another example. Let's look at like the this is a very common class. The ikati, amakati, lots of borrowed words go in there. The cat is drinking. Ikati liyaphuza. Negative. The cat isn't drinking. Ikati aliphuzi. If the cat is the object, I like the cat. Ngiyalithanda. Remote past. Ikati laphuza. The cat was drinking. Ikati laliphuza. So further down, it's very regular. These are all very regular. It's just these top ones. You get these different sounds here. But otherwise, the chart is very regular. You see a Z, and you get the Z and the ZA, Zazi, very, very, you can see the link. So the important thing is just to learn this beginning, just the in, ising, like I goes with, in goes with I, easy goes with Z, and all the rest sort of sound similar. This stuff you get with your input. Lots of listening and reading. University level stuff. And this is the issue, is that most people, when they teach isiZulu, start here.
Yeah.
Take this chart to go and eat it and cry, and now everybody's like, I'm bad at learning Zulu. No one's bad at learning Zulu. You can't start with this. This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you've seen it. I like to do it this way around. You see it in context. You see what's happening. There's a ka and there's a luka. Why? Why a luka? Because usugu is in this one down here. Usugu is in sugu. Usugu, plural goes is in sugu for days, and usugu gets a lu link. That's why we have a lu in the construct of the day of birth. Usugu lo, then we have the l construct, and luka impi. You have headaches yet?
Yes.
Very good. Sanibona zamani Zulu Nation. You want to be in a video? You want to be in a video? Yes. Give us a purr. Salani kahle. Awusho Pippa. Usho salani kahle bafundi. Bye bye.